hepatitis. In 2021, UPSC has asked the question on the hepatitis, different type of the hepatitis. There is a vaccine available for the hepatitis or not. So there is a scheme for the Delhi government, mainly Institute of Liver and Biliary Sciences in the Saket, Delhi. It's started a program, and the program is completed at 25 years. And there is a specific name of the program, WORM, Weaning Our Mother with the Hepatitis B. So it's completing the 25 years, and this is the National Institutes. This is the very famous institutes, ILBS, Institute of Liver and the Biliary Sciences, launched by the Institute of Liver and Biliary Sciences and the Delhi governments. Its objective mainly is to spread awareness about mother to child transmission of the hepatitis B. Specifically focus like on the AIDS. There is a specifically focus on the AIDS transmission ko rokna. Specifically, there is a focus to stop the transmission of the hepatitis B from mother to child. And the program marks the 25 years of the Yellow Ribbon Campaign. So this can also be in the form of question, Yellow Ribbon Campaign. So Yellow Ribbon mein most of you will mark with the AIDS, but AIDS is the Red Ribbon Campaign. Okay. So mainly this program के बारे में आपको just you know about कि exactly WORM program is related to. WORM program mainly related to prevent the transmission of hepatitis B from mother to child. But this information you require. This is launched by the ILB, Institute of Liver and the Biliary Sciences, and it's completing the 25 years. After that, we need to know about the type of the hepatitis and for which the vaccine is available or the not, and which is the most dangerous hepatitis. Like there is no vaccine is available for the hepatitis C till now. Hepatitis C के लिए कोई vaccine available नहीं है, but for the hepatitis A, B, and D and E, there is a vaccine available. And the estimated case in the world है hepatitis B and C सबसे ज़्यादा prevalent है, 400 million cases in the world, and the death about the 1.4 million deaths in the world. Approximately 14 lakhs died from the hepatitis. And the treatment in the 90% of the cases, the hepatitis का treatment available है, but in the case of the hepatitis C, there is no treatment available till now. How does the virus spread? क्या रीजन हो सकते हैं? फूड हैबिट्स की वजह से भी हो सकता है, किसी पर्सन के साथ आपने शेयर किया दैट्स हैविंग द हेपेटाइटिस, एंड द लैक ऑफ फूड हाइजीन्स, कंटेमिनेटेड वाटर्स की वजह से हो सकता है, सब स्टैंडर्ड सैनिटरी फैसिलिटी की वजह से हो सकता है, एंड ड्यू टू द ब्लड, स्पर्म्स एंड द अदर बॉडी फ्लूइड्स की वजह से भी हो सकता है. ठीक है, इट कैन बी ट्रांसमिटेड थ्रू दीज सम ऑफ द फैक्टर्स व्हिच कैन कॉज द हेपेटाइटिस इन द ह्यूमन बीइंग्स. दीज आर द मेजरली फैक्टर्स. द फैक्टर्स आर मेनली a lack of food hygiene, contaminated water, substandard sanitary facility, hepatitis B and C through the blood, sperms, and the other body fluids. These are the same region of the AIDS. These are some of the extra regions which can spread the virus. So it is clear there is no vaccine available for the hepatitis C, but the vaccine is available for the A, B, D, and the E. Complete treatment किसी का available नहीं है. 100% treatment available नहीं है, but vaccination is available. Means कि longer time में you can be stable there. Like AIDS का treatment available नहीं है. On the number of the tablets you are taking on a day, it's dependent there. But here the vaccine is available, but long-term treatment 100% solution अभी तक नहीं है for the hepatitis. Hepatitis में hepatic का means होता है liver. Hepatitis, this hepatic word means liver. So means this disease is mainly belonging to the liver. Swollen liver swelling हो जाता है इसके अंदर, जिसके major reason होता है liver failures की वजह से they may cause the death of the persons there. Treatments के केस में वैक्सीन अवेलेबल नहीं है. Like कोरोना में क्या हुआ था, some of the tablets of the AIDS are working there. कोई और किसी डिजीज का टैबलेट्स वर्क कर गया, एंटीवायरल ड्रग जिसको हम मेनली बोलते हैं, एंटीवायरल ड्रग्स वर्क कर जाते हैं सम ऑफ द केसेस, और सम ऑफ द केसेस में वो ही ड्रग दूसरे पर्सन पे काम नहीं करता है. लाइक आप पे एक ड्रग काम किया फॉर द हेपेटाइटिस सी, इट्स नॉट वर्किंग ऑन द थोलासिडाम. So there is no successful relations ki this is a completely relatable. So it can be work in the some case, it cannot be work in the some case. Like we can see in some of the case diabetes is 100% cured by the yoga, but in the some of the case is not cured by the yoga. So there is a variation from the person to person.